Hey everyone, I just got invited to Pure Soul's pre-opening party and guess what? You're coming with me. First off, they gifted me 2 bags full of skincare products. Also, they gave me a £50 voucher so that I can pick whatever I want. So I could literally shop for free. I picked some of my favorite products. After that, they showed me a donut counter where I could have any donuts of my choice. And you know how much I love donuts. Now I'm gonna show you all my gifts that I've got from Pure Soul. So this is gonna be my first time using this product. I really like this one. I always wanted to use this one, rice serum, so definitely gonna use this one. I love this cute candle from Claire's. Thank you so much, Claire's. And then there are a lot of other products as well that I haven't used, so this is gonna be my first time for most of these products. What else? Oh, this one is going to be very special because I was actually looking for a foam cleanser since a very long time. So I asked them that which one can be good, and this is affordable as well. So there are a lot of products, as you can see. It's a lip oil, looks good. I need to use it. Anyway guys, thank you so much Pure Soul for all this, and I really don't have space right now on my table. As you can see, it's like already filled up. I need to get one more organizer. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching.